In this video, I'll show you how to remove the edited label in WhatsApp messages and explain how it actually works. First, open your WhatsApp app. Once it's open, select any chat. I'll demonstrate how the edit feature works. I type a message, let's say hi, and send it. Now I long press on that message, tap the three dots in the top corner and select edit. I change hi to hello and save it. As you can see, the word edited now appears below the message. This edited label is also visible on the receiver's WhatsApp. To show you that, I open WhatsApp on my other account, go to the same chat, and there it is, the edited label is clearly visible. Now, many people search online for ways to remove this edited symbol. Some videos or websites suggest downloading third-party apps from the Play Store to remove it. Let me be very clear here. Do not download any third-party apps for this purpose. These apps can compromise your privacy and may steal your personal data. Currently, there is no official option to remove the edited labels from WhatsApp. However, there is one thing you can do. You can report your feedback directly to WhatsApp. The more users report this issue, the higher the chances that WhatsApp may change or improve this feature in future updates. Here's how to do that. First, take a screenshot of the edited message showing the edited label. Then go back to WhatsApp's main screen and tap on the Settings option. Scroll down and select Help. Then tap on Contact Us. Now, explain your problem clearly to the WhatsApp support team. Mention that you don't like the new edit message update because the edited label appears every time you modify a message, and the other person can also see it. Attach the screenshot you took earlier and submit your feedback. After submitting, WhatsApp support may contact you. I want to be honest, there's no 100% guarantee that this issue will be resolved immediately. But there's a good chance, around 70 to 80%, that if many users report the same problem, WhatsApp will consider making changes in future updates. So this is the only safe and official way to address this issue right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.